Hi, I'm Mike with Next Step AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a webinar from a business coach and turn that into a polished PDF to be used for a lead magnet. I'll go through step by step what the process looks like, and then I'll also show you an example of how you can create from this same webinar a social media carousel style post. And then at the end of the video, I'll share 3 different formats you can create content um, straight from the same webinar. So starting off at this YouTube channel, it's a business coach. He did this webinar that talks about selling more with webinars. And what we're going to do is grab the transcript right from YouTube. Click show transcript. It takes a minute for YouTube to populate that for us. So we're going to select it. And then from there, we're going to end up putting this into Chat GPT and asking Chat GPT to summarize this and put it into an outline that summarizes the key themes and topics inside of this webinar, which is about an hour-long webinar. And show you kind of an example prompt that you can use. Feel free to pause here and use this prompt. And what it's asking ChatGPT to do is create a short ebook outline with 3 to 4 key themes, a paragraph and a quote for each, for an intro and a closing paragraph, as well as writing in a clear and professional style that's easy to skim. And then the second piece of the prompt is to create one carousel post with 4 to 6 slides that captures the top insights from the outline that we're asking it to create step 1. So I've actually created a custom GPT that is based on this type of prompt that we're going to use here in this video. So I'm going to paste in my transcript that I just pulled from YouTube. And then from there, that GPT, the custom GPT I built, is going to start working on it. And here's the outline with the intro. And as it's building it out, kind of show you what the next step will be when we go. We're going to take this content that ChatGPT is building for us, and we're going to put it into a PDF template, and I like to use Canva for that. Their pre-built templates are good. You can also use their Canva AI templates. So you would, for the PDF, the presentation templates tend to work pretty good for those. There's a lot of different ones. There's free ones. There's ones with the pro subscription. You're going to end up editing this anyway with your branding, pictures. If you want to use your own pictures, definitely your logo. And so it doesn't really matter if you use a free one or if you have the pro version. But you would take the content from the outline that ChatGPT made, and then you use that to build out your PDF. The next thing that you would want to do is in the templates, Canva also has these LinkedIn carousel post templates, and you can grab any one of these and then edit it with the content that ChatGPT created. So here you can see they created 5 slides for a carousel post, which is related to the same content from the outline of the transcript that we pulled from YouTube. So we're having ChatGPT kind of do the heavy lifting of going through the transcript, getting the key themes and insights from it, creating an outline that we can put into an ebook, PDF, and then also what we can use on socials here for the carousel style posts. So I worked on this earlier, and I want to show you what the outcome was of the PDF lead magnet. So this is the Sell More with Webinars, grabbing the profile picture from their YouTube channel, and then I'm putting in all of the content that ChatGPT helped organize and put into an outline. I'm just then putting this into the PDF format for each of the slides that Canva had pre-built in their template. So that's the ebook portion, and then this is the carousel style post. So here's the insights from the Sell More with Webinars, and this would be something that you'd post on LinkedIn. as a way to drive traffic to your webinar, to your next webinar, to opt in to your email list, whatever you want the call to action to be on this carousel style post. So the other formats that you could use this same webinar for in using ChatGPT, you just have to play with the prompt, is you could ask it to create a checklist of the content that's covered in the webinar. You could have a checklist that's a lead magnet, or you could use it if the webinar covers more of a case study. You could have that put into a PDF as a case study PDF, or even into a mini email course if you want to use that as kind of your opt-in lead magnet. And using this one webinar, you can create all of these different formats that for your lead magnets. So, is this something that you can do by yourself? Absolutely. Most coaches don't have the time or the tools to keep repurposing all of their webinars. They put their effort into creating the webinars. What I do every day is I take the webinars and I turn them into ebooks, checklists, case studies, and carousel posts. So if that's something you'd like me to do for one of your webinars, be happy to put together a free sample for you. Just check out the link in the description of the video and I can get one started for you. Thanks.